The first clause is this: I would have eaten a bowl of salad. The point number 2 could be is able to be enlarged, extended into a period. Then the speaker is the number 2. Supposed the completion of the experience later than the point number 2. From the point number 2, time goes by, and the point number 2 became the past. So the speaker is the point number 1. State the assumed completion of the experience, assumed based on a period. The fact that the completion of the experience stated in a clause with the application of the modal verb will means that the speaker expected the completion of the experience. The speaker determined the completion of the experience. The one who hears our wish and hope is the only Lord who integrates this two-way street of our pathway into the one way of our life. So the motivation that the one integrates the two-way street into the one-way street is that the one, our Lord, hears our expectation and determination to be true at the present. So this clause delivers less profound intent of regretting about the fact that the speaker did not complete the experience at the present. The speaker as the subject expected that the speaker was going to complete the experience, to actualize the action indicated by the transitive verb it more than once later than the past when the speaker expected the completion of the experience. The speaker states the clause that the assumed point in time when the speaker as the subject expected the completion of the experience is different from the present by the modal verb would. The fifth clause is this: I must have eaten a bowl of salad. In this clause, the modal verb must is applied in. This tells us that the strong assumption of the speaker to complete the experience of the speaker is valid all the time. The modal verb must reveals that this clause is stated in the present perfect tense. So the strong assumption with the assurance is accepted as all-time duty. So we can also interpret this clause into the intuitive intent and the genuine intent delivered by the speaker. Intuitively, this clause can be understood as an obligation. A strong assumption of the speaker. The speaker who internalizes this strong assumption to be true in the strong faith in the one who is coming to us as Jesus Christ. This clause can be interpreted to deliver the genuine intent about the speaker to accept the completion of the experience as his own obligation. The speaker as the subject strongly assumes at the present that the experience to actualize the action indicated by the transitive verb it more than once shall be complete. The strong assumption of the speaker signifies either that the experience of the subject is the obligation of the subject, or that the subject has firm faith that the experience of the subject shall be complete. We can correlate between the two intent of the speaker. The speaker is the subject who internalizes the completion of the experience as his own obligation can be the basis to interpret this clause into the assumption whose possibility to actualize is high.